Imagine that participation is not a question of space or time. Fundamental information and individualized information remain clearly separated, but at the same time are closer together than ever before. Imagine that existing solutions don't just coexist. Instead, they become part of the larger whole. You speak the same language across all hierarchies and capture information with more precision than ever before. Imagine that individual bits of data can be turned into concrete facts, facts which build the basis for your decisions. A common platform for discussion is just a gesture away. Imagine that intelligent integration is no longer just a vision, it's today's new reality. What you imagine is our foundation for offering you the solutions today that will ensure your success tomorrow. Your imagination has arrived. Introducing ActiveCockpit from Bosch Rexroth.